Today I want to show you guys this cough syrup brand sent me to make video for you guys. So this is 100% natural sweetener. You can see it just helps soothe the cough, and it just works really well. It is really effective, and you can see you can use these on infants and toddlers and children's and as well as adults. So you have the dosage over here per suggested, and you can see you have the ingredients here and the other ingredients as well. So it is really effective. It just reduced the cough significantly. I hope you guys found this useful.